In my work, I want to include a citation for radix malorum est cupiditas, and obviously I can relate that to Geoffrey Chaucer. So how do I do that? I can insert a citation just here to let everyone know where I lifted that from. So, placing my mouse where it belongs, head off to the References tab on the ribbon, and to insert citation. Once I've created this citation for Geoffrey Chaucer from a certain book known as the Canterbury Tales, I can go on to manage that information later on and edit and tweak, so on. At the end of the day, what we're after is a bibliography that includes the sources of our citations. So, insert citation allows new source or new placeholder to be added. I don't need a placeholder right now, as I know Geoffrey Chaucer's name and so on. So I can go to Add New Source. Types of source can be books, book sections, journal articles, periodicals, reports, and so on. In this case, it's a book, so I'll choose book. The language being United Kingdom English, quite ancient, but it is English. So the author we know as Geoffrey Chaucer. He's not a corporate author. The title of the work is the Canterbury Tales. The year, I'm only hazarding a guess, 1380s maybe. And the city's probably London or Canterbury. Let's put Canterbury in there, why not? And the publisher, I'm not too sure of, but it doesn't matter right now. We can always come back and add this information with Manage Sources. Just to open up the full list of fields, I'll tick. And there we have publisher, editor, which volume it came in, and translator, and so on. Page numbers if you know them. The year accessed, and if it's a website, for example, the URL. I've completed the compulsory fields anyway for the moment, and I can say OK. And there is our reference to Chaucer. I'm going to put an extra space afterwards because it's not good at doing that, but there is our citation inserted. The wonderful thing is that wherever I go in this document, I can now use Insert Citation, choose Geoffrey Chaucer, and that clickable link there allows us and anyone else to edit the citation, edit the source, convert it to static text if we don't want it to be a clickable link anymore. If we're done with all of our updating and we want to fix this and concrete it in place. And obviously the end result, which we're coming to later, the bibliography, may need updating. So I want to have a look quickly at managing sources. There is our entry in the master list, in Word's master list, and it's being used in our current list. We're sorting the list, it only has one entry, but we're sorting it on author. We could sort on the book title or the year, and if we like, we can also create a new entry here. But here are the details we gave Word, and this is what's being used each time we insert the citation throughout the work. It's interesting to see that we have a master list within the system, and we can choose within new documents to incorporate already held information. Simply move from left to right. Copy copy across. You can obviously delete as well, or edit the citation information and create a new one.